Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. Let's now travel to Silvassa near Mumbai to meet an engineer and polymer technologist who turned entrepreneur and started MB Polyyarns in 1994 as a small trading organization. Today the company exports to over 20 countries and recently even had its IPO. Here's the story. In the last 15 years, MB Polyyarns has established itself as a brand to reckon with in the field of polymer-based products. These products include everything from jumbo bags and car covers to container linings that serve both domestic and international markets. But weaving this success story together has been an act of courage and conviction for first-generation entrepreneur Makrand Appalwar.
We started this business in year 1994 as a small trading organization with only 2 people, and in past 15 years we have metamorphosized from a small trading organization to a global scale manufacturing organization.
An engineering and polymer technologist himself, Appalwar heads the company as the CEO, while his wife contributes to the business as the executive director of finance. What started with a loan of 67 lakhs in 1994 today generates revenues to the tune of 52 crores per annum. A feather in its cap for this Silvassa-based company has been a recent IPO that's helping the company invest in expanding its capacity.
When we started the business, we didn't have capital enough to, start the manufacturing activities. So we had approached some financial institutions. But as we are the first generation entrepreneurs, nobody was believing in us and nobody wanted to finance us. It took 1 year for us to get the first loan from SIDBI, and then small hiccups here and there were always there. But then till today we are here and we are expanding our capacity with the help of our public issue money.
MB Polyyarns has grown by dedicatedly investing time, effort and capital into its research and development wing, a division Appalwar takes a keen interest in personally. This has also helped the organization come up with some radical innovations such as canal liners and protective irrigation systems, which the company believes has tremendous growth potential in coming years.
These days we are facing acute water shortage in this country. We have laid a lot of our canal linings in the government of Maharashtra distributory canal systems in Vidarbha region. That helps to reduce the leakage and seepage of water to the level of around 60%. This has actually increased the spread of irrigation as well as it has also reduced the losses by the side of the canal. This is very interesting and very challenging, and I think this will be one of the most growth-oriented or growth-driven product for MB in time to come.
MB Polyyarns has constantly realigned itself with new technology and machinery. The organization caters to a varied client base and multiple sectors, keeping it safe from industry-specific slowdowns.
Our principal product remains a polyethylene and polypropylene based woven fabric. Out of this fabric, what we do is we change over to various type forms, like we create a packaging material, we make bags or packaging material starting from around 2 kgs to 40,000 kg. Today MB specializes in the international aseptic packaging. We are one of the largest producers of the antibacterial, antifungal products. We are one of the largest producers of the waste disposal bags.
MB Polyyarns has acquired through purchase of shares 25% stake in Global Bag SRO, a Czech Republican company engaged in marketing of agricultural storage equipment and packaging. This will help MB to distribute its products in new geographical territories and would help boost the export footprint of the company.
MB Polyyarns today lies one of the significant players as far as the export of woven polyethylene and polypropylene product goes from India. We have close to 4% of the national share in this product. We are present in almost all 4 continents and close to 20 countries, mainly all the developed countries in the European Union and United States.
And all these products are produced at MB Polyarn's plant in Silvassa. This plant is managed through a fully integrated ERP software which facilitates the accuracy and speed in its routine operation. For this very reason, the company is among the first few in India to achieve ISO 9000-2008 certification for management system in the woven sack industry. In the offing now is a new manufacturing plant.
Today we have around 700 people working with us, and we are producing close to 6,500 tons per annum now, and we are setting up a new capacity which will make MB's manufacturing capacity to close to 18,000 tons per annum. This will make us India's second largest under one roof woven polyethylene and polypropylene manufacturing company.
A competent top management, a team of dedicated professionals and a friendly work atmosphere. These are some of the qualities that have made MB Polyarns grow over the years. And ensuring employee welfare is something that takes care of attrition and makes the employees stick to the company for years. With new innovations, a variety of product offerings and capital raised through its public issue, MB Polyarn has fortified its position as a strong market player and a future leader in word and spirit.